Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're having a great day, a great night, my name is Brianna and today I'm going to be talking about how I get my hair long, healthy, and sexy. So one thing you need to know, I do naturally have very, very thick hair. So there is a lot of hair here. It's all natural. This is it. So I'm gonna start out with like my shampoo routine. So I use the shampoo and conditioner from Dove. It's just like the daily moisture stuff. I've been using that. My little tip with shampoo is mix around, find what works for your hair. I used to like to use some Pantene and different things, but it would get really like buildup would get into the back of my head, and so I stopped using that, and this stuff has been the best I found. So not saying this is like the best shampoo by any means, but it's the stuff I use, and I've used several different kinds, so just kind of find what works best with your hair and your hair type. So part of this, what I want to go over every like little bit of like my hair routine. So when I do like my shampoo, so I use that. I also use the Blonde Brilliance when my hair is blonder. Right now it's a little darker. This is colored. I'm probably going back to blonde pretty soon. I keep saying that, but I haven't yet. We'll see when I actually do it. Okay, so I put the shampoo in, and then I'll let that kind of sit while I'm like washing up the rest of my body, and then I'll wash the shampoo out. And then I did this a couple times. I was doing this once a week at first. No, I did this for a couple days, and then I was doing every week, and now it's just kind of like here and there. But I'll run this through my hair, so it'll be washed, and then when it's moist and I'm still in the shower, I'll do like 4 different layers. So I'll like part it here on the side, put it down, do one here, here, and then here, and then do a little bit on all the ends, and then rub that in and let that sit while I like shave or do something else, and then rinse that out, and then I put on my conditioner. And how I do the conditioner is I actually flip my head over, and so it's just the end, and I rub the conditioner into the very tips of my head and probably about like halfway up, and then I will go underneath like cold water. I don't like to rub it on my, have it run on my body, but I'll like tip my head over underneath, and then I like to have over my scalp and then on all my ends. So that's how I take the conditioner out, as well as running into my ends, and it like really helps to like cut off and just make my hair softer and all that. So this helps. This is Heritage, the apple cider vinegar hair rinse. So I love using that. It's been really good. It makes my hair soft. So that's kind of my washing routine. Next thing, once a week, I've been doing this. I haven't always done this, but I've been doing this a lot lately, and it's been seeing a big difference. So I've been using this, just use coconut oil, and I just rub and massage them into my hand, mix it around, and then put that into my ends and into my scalp, and then let that sit for like 20 to 30 minutes, and then I go and just rinse it out and wash my hair like normal. But I always like to make sure it's in my hand and just putting chunks in, because that takes forever to get out. So you rub it in your hands, massage it in and all that, then it just helps, and that helps with my hair too. So going into the next thing is I was taking this for nails. It's the Maxi Hair Plus Skin and Nails, and I'll try to put the links to as many of these items as I can down below. Put like a little affiliate links from Amazon. So I've been taking this for nails, but of course it's been helping with my hair, which I didn't really need because my hair is really healthy. But I've been getting a lot of like growth, and I actually got a comb and like watered it down because I've been getting like a lot. I've been taking this for about 2 months now, and just getting a whole lot of growth. So first it was really bad, and it's not as bad anyways, or either as like anymore. So that's really nice, which I've been loving. But if you're wanting something to help, I would definitely recommend this. And it's done really well. Usually like by supplements, I'm allergic to a lot of them, and this one I have not been, so I love it. So I will curl my hair maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Well, curl or straighten, so like heat products. I never blow dry my hair. I actually will wash every single night, and then I just air dry it. Okay, so then after my shower, I only use this to comb my hair, just a pit comb, and that helps so like doesn't pull out as many hairs. But this is all I use when it's wet. So I do that every single night, wash up, and then, or not wash up, I do it every night and then let it air dry just on my pillow. So I do all that. Also for my brush and comb, just a basic brush and comb is like what I mainly use. Just a basic brush and comb is mainly all I use. Also, if I ever need to just pull my hair up real quick, I always just use one of these clips. I just get it from the, like, Walmart, I think, maybe in dollar store. I think it's Walmart, and you can see it's kind of like beat up, but it's just for pulling my hair back as I'm like getting my makeup ready. So the different pigtails I use ponytails, which are really good not to pull a lot of hair, as well as just like get these from Walmart, just like little ponytails. And then I actually, for a lot of my hairstyles, I do a lot of hairstyles if it's like buns or little buns or just like braids and crazy stuff. And so I use a lot of these elastics just from Sally's. And then I will actually cut them out with just like nail clippers. And so I recommend that because it doesn't pull out your hair a lot. It's a lot better. So before we get into the next few things, I just want to remind you, go click the little button down below to go subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for that. So actually I do a lot of stuff. I curl it, I'm doing hairstyles. One thing I do recommend is braiding. I remember when I first wanted to grow out my hair, I kept seeing ponytails were really bad. So I usually don't do a lot of ponytails. If I can avoid it, I try to do braids of some sort so it doesn't pull my scalp as much and does a lot better for it. But since I've gotten my hair really long, I will actually do a lot of like top knot buns and do them really tight. And then that's when this comes in. The only product I use is heat protectant and hairspray. So I'll do the instant freeze hairspray from Aussie, and I really like this because it holds in the hair a lot. So that's the only two things. So this is heat protectant I use. It's Silk Elements coconut heat protectant spray. Since I've been using this, it's been so good. It smells yummy, smells all coconutty, and it's really good. So I've been really happy with that. So overall, these are kind of like the products and the things I use. It's just like number one, just taking care of your hair, making sure like just taking care of it. You find kind of the different things. Like this is all the stuff I've used, but not saying it's gonna work for everyone. I'm just taking bits and pieces that will work for you. But the products are like, I've used different things that have worked. I've tried different secrets and things that people will be like, this will work, and it doesn't. All this stuff has worked for me, so I hope it does for you. And if it does, let me know below, and that would be great. So I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, go click that little subscribe button down there. Also click the little bell so you get notifications when I post new videos. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day, great night. Bye. Love you.